Dump him in there. Alright guys, so we're going to start on the shower. Here I bought a Schluter Systems shower kit. It came with the Schluter Curdy. There is some of the, I can't remember what that's called, the band. It's got some corner pieces. It's got some extra sealant to go around the drain. Came with the curb and then the base. Now this shower right here is a little bit bigger than the base that came with it. It's basically 7 foot from the inside to the inside, so it'll be a 7 foot wide shower by just around 36 inches wide. Okay. But here's a mistake that I made when I poured the concrete, is I didn't add any area to protect this. I should have. Alright, so what I didn't do was put something here so that concrete wouldn't fill in up tight against this pipe. So when you guys go to do this, make sure that you either build a box around it that leaves it open so that you can get down below grade, because the drain that this Schluter system uses has to go down below grade to tie into the drain, and I can't do that now without jackhammering out some of this concrete, so that kind of sucks. The cool thing about this Schluter Curdy, the Schluter system, is you can do it right on drywall right here. So I'm just going to put up this drywall. I'm going to have a niche in the wall right here to be able to put soaps, shampoos and things like that. And then the tile will go, I haven't decided if I'm going to go all the way to the ceiling or leave it just below it and just paint the rest of that up there. But so I got to get my shower valve in right there. I got to get this hole cut in the floor, kind of bust up that concrete around it. Let's get started. That is gonna be perfect. Here we are after day one of getting all the Curdy installed, Schluter Curdy. Got for the shower valve around there done, and then for the shower head coming out of the wall, all of the corner banding, all the niche done, all the way around. We could also turn this. Sorry, there'll be a little fan noise, but hopefully not too bad. So now I'm going to be working on getting the base set. I had actually contemplated on not setting the base and then just tiling all the walls so that I wouldn't have to, because if I go all the way to the ceiling, I'm going to have like some sort of step ladder to get on, and I'm going to have to probably put down a sheet of plywood or something like that to protect this pan if I go ahead and set it. And I thought I probably better just go ahead and set it and get it drying so that when I'm ready I can get that last. I didn't have to, you know, leave a gap and then fill it in later after I got that pan set with the tile. So I'm just going to get the pan set and then the deck mud put down, because I've got a gap up front there that I'll need to fill in with deck mud, and then a gap back here. Alright guys, I got the curb set, I got the deck mud put in, dry pack mortar, whatever you want to call it, and I got my drain flange set. Now I'm going to wait for all of the thin set underneath the shower pan to dry and all of the deck mud to dry before I do the final waterproofing stage. So, pretty exciting. Getting closer. He's coming to my house today, and we're going to be working on a shower. Let's go check this out. Moving parts.
Yeah, it's like that me and Emily trying to do all this. Justin, do you want me to cut the next one like